It has Bluetooth wireless, active noise cancellation, long battery life, 15 hours of playback. Included is a user manual, headphone audio cable, charging cable, airplane audio adapter, and the Bluetooth headphone. It has swivels, also a retractable headband. Here we have the AUX port, the volume up, down, the light indicator, power on off, the noise cancellation, and the charging port. This is the Bluetooth connection portion of the video. So you want to press down for 3 to 5 seconds till you get a red blinking light. Now on your smartphone or device, you're going to want to go settings, and you're going to want to go to your Bluetooth and pretty much choose the proper identification, which you can see right there. It's the headphones. Now if you don't see it, you're going to want to just press refresh and it should show up. And next we're going to do is the audio test. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.